University.
Thank you very much. Her Excellency would like to say a brief remark. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. After such a wonderful ceremony, the award and this traditional attire, I would have to say thank you. But in reference to my lecture, there is something that I did not mention and I should have, but it was there in my heart. The way the musical band and the choir gave a wonderful rendition of the National Anthem of the Republic of Poland. I was quite stunned by their accuracy, their pronunciation, and musical acumen. It's the first time in Nigeria that something like this has ever happened. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Thank you.
It's nice to see you again.
Nice to have you. The State Security Advisor.
How are you?
You're welcome. The Deputy Governor will see you as well. Will be the one representing you. Please come.